Hey guys, this is Saurav from AllAboutTechnologies, and in this video, let's take a look at Crossbeats Ignite 2, which is the latest smartwatch from Crossbeats, which looks like an Apple Watch. And not just that, it comes with calling functionality, which is pretty interesting. But you know what's more interesting? I'm giving away two of these to you guys. So all you have to do is watch the video till the end to find out how to participate in the giveaway. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. So guys, here is the box pack and you can see the Ignite 2 branding up top. On all the other sides, there is just Crossbeats branding. And if you take a look at the rear side of the box, you can see a QR code to download the application. And along with that, all the important features are listed here, which includes Bluetooth calling, IP68 water resistance, and more. Now let's quickly open it and see what we get in the box. So first we have a Namaste note along with a quick start guide that explains how to pair the watch with the application. Next we get the watch itself, which looks like an Apple Watch, and even the band is similar to the Apple Watch. Interesting. Next you get a charger, which is again in white color for obvious reasons, and it's a magnetic one just like any other smartwatch. Last but not the least, you get a detailed manual which explains each and everything, so do give it a read once you buy this watch. Alright, so here is the watch itself, and as I mentioned earlier, it does look like an Apple Watch. The strap here is exactly like Apple Watch and it's of decent quality. You can easily replace it by sliding, so that's a nice thing. The dial is made out of metal, which makes it feel premium. Now on the side we have a crown dial just like the Apple Watch, although I didn't find myself using it much. Now on the other side we have a speaker, and I will get to it in a bit. If we take a look at the rear side, we have magnetic points for charging along with all the necessary sensors. On the front, it comes with a 1.55-inch IPS display, which looks decent for the price. This watch is IP68 water and dust resistant, which means it can handle light rain and showers. Now taking a look at the UI, on the home screen you can tap and hold to change the watch faces, and you do have more options in the application. Swiping down reveals all the notifications, and you can swipe right to access all the notifications. And to read a particular notification, just tap on it, where you will also get an option to delete it. You can also delete all the notifications by swiping to the extreme right. Now from the home screen, if you swipe right, it reveals Apple-like UI, so you can simply select any application or functionality that you want to use, so that's pretty cool. Swiping to the left reveals all the same applications or features but in a standard format. Now here you have sports mode, which has a bunch of different activities to choose from. So if you are an active person, then it will come in handy for you to track your activities. Next, you can measure your heart rate and blood pressure, so that's really nice to have. You can even control the camera shutter button from the app itself, so that might come in handy for a group picture situation. Music can also be controlled from the watch itself, and you can even listen to music on the watch. Yes, you can do it on the watch, because it comes with a speaker, so that's really cool. You also have options like alarm, stopwatch, and weather. In steps, you can see a number of steps along with heart rate and calories burned, so that's nice to keep a track of everything. You can also measure blood oxygen level, which is must in this pandemic. On the next page, we have Find My Phone, Countdown, Schedule, and Settings. In settings, you have basic options along with brightness controller. Now last but not the least, you can access all the toggles by swiping up. One important part to note here is that you need to turn on this Bluetooth button and go into your phone's Bluetooth settings to pair, as only by pairing this you can use the calling functionality. So do keep a note of that. And once you pair them, you can even call and talk from the watch itself. So that's really cool. Now enough of UI, let's take a look at the app. So as soon as you open the app, the first page you see is of status or home page, where you can see all the info related to your steps, calories, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, sleep, and your weight with BMI. So all the health and fitness related stuff is present here, so it's easy to track everything. You can even select a particular thing and see the data for a week or a month, so that's really helpful at times when you want to track everything for the past month or a week or whatever. Overall, I really like this page and UI. Next is the Me section, where the first option is to set your goals, so you can keep changing it from here or set it permanently if you want. Now if you go in the device section, you will find all the customization and settings option. First option we have here is of watch face, where you can choose from 15 different options, and not just that, you can even create your own custom dial from here, which is cool. Next, you can enable notifications from message push for all the apps that you like, so that's pretty cool. Apart from these important features, you have all the other customization options which I won't cover because this video will become just too long. So you can explore them once you buy the watch. And as always, the link to buy this watch will be in the description box. So before we end the video, let's talk about the most important part that you all have been waiting for. Let's talk about the giveaway. So to participate in the giveaway, you have to do 3 things, which is first, like the video. Second, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Third, you have to leave a comment, and in the comment you have to mention Crossbeats Ignite 2, which is the name of this smartwatch. And last but not the least, once we hit 1000 likes, I'll give away one of the watch. And once we hit 2000 likes, I'll give away the second watch. So to win both these watches, you have to make sure that you like this video and share this with your friends so that we hit the milestone as soon as possible. And then I'll announce the winners from the comment section on my Twitter and Instagram, and it will be completely random. So make sure you leave your comment and share this video with your friends so that we hit the milestone as soon as possible. Well, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then do give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more updates. That's it, guys. This is Saurabh Nahar. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.